Good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. This afternoon, I'm going to walk you through a 2024 53 Scout. We're going to start up front. On the starboard side, when you come up front, you're going to see a large storage area that can double as a cooler. You also have the poles that go in here for your forward shade. You have a electrically operated high-low table. Up front, you have easy access to your windlass and your remote controls for your windlass, port and starboard. You also have rod holders, cup holders up front. Looking on the port side, you have another storage section over here and large forward ample seating up front with stereo remote and controls. On the forward side of the console, you have a triple sun lounger, very comfortable and very easy to get out of. You're also going to have your armrest on each one, cup holders and storage on those as well. And if you can, let's take a walk back to the back. We're now in the cockpit of the 2024 53 Scout. You'll see you have an awesome tackle center with a freshwater washdown sink prep area. You have a very large storage area that can double as a cooler here. You also have your electrically operated grill. You have two really cool seats that fold out, tuck away so you have plenty of room to fish. You also are going to have your refrigerators built in on either side, port and starboard. You have easy access to the lazarette and the floor, and two big fish boxes on port and starboard sides. This boat is equipped with the beach door on either side that folds down and gives you ample space for entertaining. You have your two live wells in the transom. Again, this boat's equipped with Mercury 600 Verados. Awesome power, great speed and economy. If you look up, you're going to see a second station tower up top with fully integrated controls and GPS, sounder, everything you need up there. Now we're going to move inside to the helm area. Okay, everybody, we're back to the 53 Scout, 2024 year model. We're inside the helm console area. Aft, you have a four-person settee back here that doubles with ample storage. Just forward of that, you're going to have two other seats, cup holders, air conditioning ducts, everything you need to be nice and comfortable. On the helm station, you're going to have a 24-inch Garmin, digital throttle and shift, your joystick, remote control for your Garmin here, tilt wheel. You're going to have zip wake and Mercury vessel view. This boat's also equipped with a bow thruster. You have a companion 24-inch Garmin on the port side with more glove box storage. Now we're going to move downstairs and show you the cabin. Downstairs you have a settee that converts into a berth. You have storage cabinets lining each port and starboard side. Up front, you're going to have a master stateroom bed, queen size VIP. You're going to have a separate shower and head area for that. You have aft berth back here underneath the helm deck. Your galley is going to be equipped with a television and an electric cooktop, obviously a sink. You also have more storage areas on this side that's going to hold your shower. And you have a high-low table as well. That's it for the 53 Scout. If you'd like to come see this boat, come see us at MarineMax Stuart. Again, this is Brad Langdon.